Hello all, today in this video I am going to make how to reverse an array. So this is a continuation of the previous video only. So within the previous video we would have made nearly 3 series. First is working with the temporary array, next is swapping, and next is working with pointer, and here we are making use of the recursion function. So for everyone we will be making use of a definition. By using those definition only we will be reversing the array. We can just make a quick overview of the previous series. So for that, if you need some clear explanation of the previous series, means you can just view our previous videos. So first we are making use of a temporary array. For that we have to get the length of the array. Then we are making an temporary array to store the elements temporarily, and then we are making a for loop for to copy the elements from the temporary array to the original array. Again we are making a for loop to copy these elements back to the original array. Then we are making use of this reverse array function to reverse the array, and then we are also in everything cases we will be making use of a for loop, because this reverse array function should work till the all the elements within the array are reversed. So we are printing what is the output before reversing and what is the output after reversing. Then within and with other reverse we are working with pointers. For that we are using the left pointer and right pointer. In that we are getting use of a condition, which is that it should iterate till the left elements is less than the right element. So we are making use of a while loop. Within the while loop we are making left is less than right. Then we are swapping the elements at the left and right position. So array of left comma array comma right is equal to array of right comma array of left. So this is the condition we have to give, and we are incrementing the left pointer and decrementing the right pointer. And then we are making use of a main function, and we are going to display the array before reversing and the array after reversing. So after reversing it will call the definition which we have declared, and also we are making a for loop since all the elements in the array should be reversed. So after that only this for loop ends. Likewise within the next series we will be working with swapping. In this swapping we will be making use of the temporary array. So by that only we have swapped, and this definition we will be calling in the main function to make what is the array before reversing and what is the array after reversing. And here also we will make use of the for loop till all the elements in the array has to be reversed. So this is the output of the array before reversing and after reversing. Then we are working with the recursion. For that also we are making a definition. So within the definition we are we are making a if condition, like the left should be less than or greater than or equal to right. But when we see here, it should be left should be less than right. That is within the reverse with pointers there is a condition like left should be less than right. But here in recursion it should be greater than or equal to r. So if return, and also we have to swap the elements. The swapping condition is same in both the recursion and also in working with pointers. Then we are recursing the remaining array. For that we are giving a reverse array definition. Then again we are giving a definition. So within this definition we are calling this reverse array recursion definition. Then we are making use of the main loop, and within this main loop we are declaring the array, and we are going to display this original array before reversing and also after reversing. After reversing we have to we are obtaining by using this definition So by this we are also making use of the for loop, since the array has to work till all the elements within it is reversed. So in every functions we will be making use of for loop, and this is the output before reversing and after reversing. And also within this reverse function there is the inbuilt function. So based on that definition we will be working with the next video. Thank you.